In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a wiper cowl on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located at the bottom of the windshield. After you lift and support your hood, you have a series of clips. You want to take those off. They come straight up. Some come out in two pieces. You have your cowl piece here, just comes straight out. Your wiper arm has a cap at the bottom, just pry straight up to your 15mm nut. Remove the nut. And set it off to the side. Your other wiper arm, same deal. Take the cap off. Take your nut off and get ready to pull those wiper arms off. To reinstall your wiper arms after, to keep them in the same position, I always use a piece of tape. Just put it on the windshield. Now you know where your wiper arm will line up. And one there. You have your corner piece. Just pop that straight out towards the passenger side of the vehicle. Put that off to the side. When you take your wiper arms off, these are spring loaded, so if you push them down, that way it will release from the stud, and you can take them and just pull them straight towards you. Push it down, up, straight towards you. Take your wiper cowl, pull it straight up, and detach it from the windshield. When you put it on your windshield, that lip is going to go right around this part of the bottom. So take your time and be careful. Now you're ready to install your fasteners. Push down, make sure it's locked in. Install your wipers, slide it onto your post, ratchet it down. Make sure you hold on to it because that is spring loaded. Line it up with your two pieces of tape. Your passenger side wiper, once you put it on the post, you can't put it down because the hood gets in the way. So very carefully, bend that down because don't forget that is spring loaded. Slide the wiper underneath the hood, put it on the stud, and line up on your tape. Take your 15mm nuts, put them on, and tighten them down. You want to tighten those down snug. Then you're going to torque those at 15 foot-pounds. After you torque your nuts down, put your caps back on and get ready to remove your tape. After you install your wiper arms, you have two pieces, one on each end of the windshield. These pieces go and slide. There's a couple of locking tabs. You want to push to you. Wait for that click. Same thing, you get two tabs. Line up those two tabs, pull towards you. Lock it in, and here you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.